Let us now discuss the third item, that is brickwork. Okay, that is first class brickwork in 1:4 cement. So this is done by long wall and short wall method. This is the long wall along AB line and short wall along EF. Okay, so long wall, short wall, 1, 2, 3, 4. So two long walls, two short walls. Then how we take the length? I'll tell you. So see here, inner length is 180. So this is the inner length. So 180 plus the brick wall breadth 40. This is 40, this is 40. Then for second steps, 180 plus 30 plus 30. Then for third steps, 60 plus 20 plus 20. This is the way we calculate length for long walls. And for short walls, directly you can take the constant 90. Then the breadth values are like this. Okay, when you do the problem, we come to know. So come here. So long wall, first step. So first step of the long wall. So 180 plus 40 plus 40, that is 260. Correct. 260. Breadth is 0.40. Here also 0.40. So 2.60, 0.40, and height is 90. I given 90 centimeter, zero point 0.9. So 1.88 we will get. So long wall second step. For the second steps, come here, 180 plus 30 plus 30. Okay. So we will get 2.40. What is the breadth? 30 centimeter. What is the height? 100 centimeter. So 0.3, then 1 meter. Okay. If we multiply, we will get 1.44. Then long wall third steps. What is the inner dimension? 60 plus 20 plus 20, that is 1. Then breadth is 20 centimeter. Then depth is, or height is 70. 0.70 centimeters, 0.70 meters. So if we multiply, we get 0.28. Now short wall first step. Yes, slight mistake is there, print mistake. This is short wall first step. That is, there are two short walls. Okay, for short walls we have, so length is 90. Again, we will not consider the joints. Okay, corner already we have done in long walls. So directly 0.90. Okay, breadth to 0.40. Then how much is the height? 0.90. Same. Next, short walls. Second step 0.90. Breadth of the wall 0.30. Next, height of the wall is 1. Then short wall third steps 0.90, 0.20. Height of the wall is 70. So if we multiply, we will get 0.25. If we add this all quantity, we will get 5.04 as the total quantity for brickwork. Now next is cement pointing. That is a pointing work in 1:2. Okay, so for long walls up to the slab, see here, this is for long walls up to the slab. Here RC slab is there, no? Okay, so how much long walls will be there? 1, 2. So 2 number, length 1.80. Then breadth will not be there, pointing work is it is. Then what is the height up to the slab? 150, 1.50. Then multiply, will get 5.40. Similarly, short walls up to the slab, we get short walls as two numbers, 1 and 2. So the length is 0.90. Okay, next the height is 1.50. Okay, multiply that, we will get 2.70. Now short wall left face, see here, this is the left face. Okay, short wall left face, so it is 1. Short wall left face 1. How much is the length? 0.90. How? So here you take, so this is the 0.90. value. We done for long walls. The pointing work is done for long walls. Similarly, as we done in the brickwork, no, same. Short walls, left face 0.90, 0.82. What is this 0.82? This is 0.82 is including the RCC slab 70 plus 12 centimeter. 70 plus 12 centimeter, that is 82 centimeter. So 0.82 meter. So multiply it 0.74. So short wall, right face, above slab. Okay, 1 into 0.90 into 0.70. So 1 is including the RCC slab, it is 0.82. So for right face, 0.90 into 0.70 is 0.63. Remaining face here, front and back side of the manhole cover is there, no? There we are, there is need for cement pointing. So it is here one, back side one, two faces. So what is the inner length? 0.60. Okay, 0.60. And what is the height? 70 plus 12 centimeter, that is 0.82, 0.98. So totally you have to do cement pointing is 10.45 square meters. Now the fifth item of work, that is 20 mm thick cement plaster 1:3 in floor and channels. So for 20 mm thick cement plastering, so in the flow, so we know the flow after the inside the brickwork, this flow. So what is the length? It is 1.80. Okay, 1.80. Next here it is 90, breadth is 90 plus 30 centimeter is taken because of the channel curvature. So curvature has to be given, okay, for the easy flow of the sewage. So 20 mm plastering is 1 into 1.80, it is the length, breadth is 1.20. So multiply it, you will get 2.16 square meters. The sixth item is RCC slab including the steel complete work. Okay, roof slab of working chamber plus roof slab of shaft. This is the shaft and this is the working chamber. So here RCC slab of working chamber, how many numbers we have? We have only one, so one manhole one. So length is 1.35. How this is 1.35? See here. So we know that length is 120 up to here. Okay, the length is up to here. The length is 120. Here in the plan you can see 120. So 120 plus we can see it has gone inside the wall, that is up to 15 centimeter, that is 30 by 2. So how it is 1.35? 120 plus 15, we will get 135, that is 1.35. For breadth, what is the breadth? So 90. Okay, what is this 90? This one 90 plus 30. Okay, this is 120 plus 15 centimeter, and for breadth is 90 plus 30 centimeter. This is 90. So there will be two short walls, right? Here come 90 plus two short walls. So here it will go inside by 15 centimeter. Here it will go inside by 15 centimeter. This is 30 centimeter wall. Both side 90 plus 30 by 2 plus 30 by 2. Okay. So now we get 1.35 into 1.20 into height is 12 centimeter. They have given 0.12. After multiplying, we will get 0.94. Now RCC slab of shaft. So length is 0.80. So 60 plus 20 plus 20, how much it will be? RCC slab of shaft here, you see. So for bearing 20, 20 by 10, here 10, here 10. So 60 plus 10 plus 10. 60 plus 10 plus 10. So it will be 0.80, 80 centimeter. Then breadth 90 plus 10 plus 10. So how see the wall here? This is 20 centimeter wall. So for length it is 60 plus 10 plus 10. It is 0.80. And for in the direction of EF, that is 90. In the direction of EF here, 90 plus 10 plus 10, that is 110. So height or depth is here it given 10, 0.10, 0.88. So total we get 0.282 for the RCC slab including steel complete work. Now we got this full length, we did this full length of RCC slab work. In that RCC slab we have to provide what? Manhole. So we have to deduct the manhole size. So 1 into pi into 0.45 pi d square by 4 into the thickness 0.10, we will get as 0.66. This is the basics. Okay, deduct manhole cover 45 centimeter dia they have given here. So pi d square by 4 into 0.10, 10 centimeter thickness, so 0.16 we have to deduct. So total 0.282 minus 0.016 will get net total as 0.266 cubic meters. Next, what are remaining? Then manhole cover 42 centimeter dia including the frame. So for manhole we deducted, for cover we have to take, that is one number. Okay, iron footsteps. So see here, iron footsteps, you can see here clearly how many are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 iron footsteps, 7 numbers. So these are piecewise. Okay, now we calculated the items in the measurement form. So what is the earthwork? 15.43 cubic meter. Cement concrete 1:3:6 with brick ballast, that is net total only you take 1.53 cubic meter. Next, first class brickwork, it was 5.04 cubic meter. Cement pointing work 10.45 square meters. Next, 20 mm thick cement plaster 2.16 square meters. Next, RCC slab including the steel complete work, we got the net total as 2.66 cubic meters. Next, manhole cover of 42 centimeter dia including frame, that is one number. Iron foot slab is 7 numbers. Now we have to put them in the abstract of estimated cost form, abstract form for the cost. So item number same 1 2 3 4 up to 8. Then particulars of the item which we have done already in the measurement form. Next, quantity, how much quantity, net quantity we got, mention here. So its unit you have to mention. So depending upon the local SR value rate, okay, schedule of rates, we have to put the cost of each item. So multiplying which you will get the amount. So for this total amount we must add 5% of contingencies. Okay, for this total we have to add 5% of this total only, 5% of that total only, we will get the grand total as 2726.08 rupees. So this was the estimation of manhole, a detailed estimation of manhole for the drawing given. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you.